This module will cover the maintenance module in the Infraon Infinity Suite. Maintenance is essential, especially when a software update or deployment is required. At such times, the IT admin schedules a maintenance period. This maintenance module under IT operations will facilitate the needs accordingly. Let's walk through how to schedule maintenance for an asset. This maintenance page will display the previous maintenance actions. To schedule new maintenance, click on Go to Asset, located at the top right corner, and select the asset that requires maintenance. Select the asset, and then click on More option, followed by Maintenance. The system will ask for a reason for maintenance. Input the reason for scheduling the maintenance. Then, click on Next. In the Schedule tab, enter the time and the end time for the scheduled maintenance. After setting the times, click on Submit, and the maintenance will be scheduled. The asset status will change to Maintenance and shows that maintenance is in progress. Once the scheduled maintenance is complete, the asset status will revert to In Use. Review the maintenance details under where the Status, Maintenance window with the time duration, reason and number of assets linked for the maintenance can be viewed. Option to modify, delete, or stop the maintenance can also be availed. This is how to schedule maintenance in the Infraon Infinity Suite.